Okay, so you know how much everyone hates those online job applications?
Yeah.
Like whether you're looking for a new job or you're the one stuck sorting through them.
Oh, yeah,
Like we've all been there, right?
absolutely.
Well, today we're actually looking at a solution,
Oh, cool.
a student's final portfolio project on GitHub, and it's a real working system.
Wow.
Yeah.
So not just like a concept.
No, no, it's a real online job application system that they built.
It's awesome.
Yeah, and so we're going to kind of unpack how it works,
Okay.
what features it have, and what we can all learn from it,
Gotcha.
even if we don't code ourselves.
Right.
And it looks like the ReAMA on GitHub gives us a good overview.
Okay.
Just looking at the folder structure, there's a models folder
Hmm.
with subfolders for applications, jobs, sign up, and user.
Okay.
What does that tell us about how the system is organized?
Well, you know how you need a good foundation to build a house?
Yeah.
In web development, that foundation is usually the database. And so these folders, they probably represent database tables, which are like those organized spreadsheets where all the information is stored.
So it's like each folder is a blueprint for a certain piece of information in the
Well,
system.
exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Let's talk features then.
Sure.
The ReAMA highlights some interesting ones for job seekers.
Okay.
Obviously, there's the sign up and sign in,
Right.
but then it mentions preventing duplicate applications,
Nice.
which, you always hit that submit button a few times
Yeah.
just to be sure.
Oh, yeah,
You
definitely.
don't want to spam them.
Exactly.
But this system just takes care of that.
That's great.
Yeah, and that's really good for the data integrity.
Right.
Because the employer doesn't want duplicates clogging up their system.
Makes total sense.
And then to make things even better for applicants, there's an application statuses feature.
Oh, very nice.
You don't have to refresh your inbox constantly.
I know. I hate doing that.
Yeah, keeps applicants in the loop.
Much better user experience.
Yeah, and it probably saves the employer a ton of time answering emails
For sure.
from people just asking, like, hey, did you even get my application?
All the time.
All right, so let's look at it from the employer side then.
Okay.
There's a feature that really stood out to me.
What's that?
Email notification for selected candidates using a third-party API
Right.
called MailJet.
Wow. So they're thinking ahead.
Yeah, for a student project, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
So it seems like APIs are like messengers that let different systems talk to each other.
Right. Like in this case, the API is letting the job application system send emails.
Without having to build the whole email system from scratch.
Exactly.
So instead of manually emailing each candidate,
They can automate it.
yeah, and it probably makes the whole thing feel more professional. It's all about making things easier.
It's smoother.
Now, another feature for the employer is the job expiry.
Hmm.
It automatically removes those outdated job postings.
Oh, that's my.
Why is that so important?
Well, think about it.
Yeah.
Imagine you're looking for a job and the website's full of old postings.
Yeah.
It's annoying. Right.
Totally.
So this feature makes sure the system only shows the relevant jobs.
And it makes the employer look better.
Much more organized.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's like keeping your website fresh and clean.
Yeah, you don't want those old job postings just sitting there.
Exactly. And here's something interesting.
Okay.
The student actually included a getting started section.
Mm-hmm.
They walk you through how to get the project running.
Wow.
Yeah, so theoretically, if you have the technical skills,
You could run this system yourself.
yeah,
That's awesome.
it really shows they wanted to make their work accessible.
Yeah, it's a well-documented project for sure.
It's not just an idea, they actually built it.
A real tangible thing.
Now, I noticed the ReAD explains the applicant side really well,
Okay.
but it doesn't say much about how employers create and manage job postings.
Oh, I see.
We know they can post, update, and manage listings,
Right.
but the specifics are a bit unclear.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Like, did they focus more on the applicant tracking side?
Maybe they left the employer side a bit more open
Yeah.
for future development.
Like, imagine if they included tools for crafting better job descriptions or targeting specific demographics.
That would take it to the next level.
Yeah, from an applicant tracking system to a full recruitment platform.
Yeah, exactly.
But the potential is there.
Right.
They already integrated the MailJet API for emails.
So they know how to connect to other services.
What if they connected to APIs with labor market data or skills assessments?
Oh, wow.
Or even social media?
That would be amazing.
The system could analyze applicant data,
Identify trends,
predict successful hires.
personalize job recommendations.
It wouldn't just track applicants.
It would help make better hiring decisions.
And there's another small detail that I really liked.
What's that?
They send congratulatory emails to selected candidates.
Oh, it's nice.
It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference.
It does add a personal touch.
It makes you feel valued.
For sure.
And it saves the employer time.
Absolutely.
So we've talked about what the system does do.
Right.
But what about areas for improvement?
Good point.
One thing is the user management.
Okay.
It mentions different roles like employers and admins,
Yeah.
but it doesn't explain the permissions for each role.
That's important for security.
Yeah, you don't want everyone having access to everything.
Like different keys for different rooms.
Exactly.
A well-designed system controls access,
So this project is a good foundation.
but it needs more work on the user management side.
Now, another thing I noticed is they used Python.
A good choice.
It's known for being readable and versatile.
And popular for web development.
Why do you think they chose Python for this project?
Well, it's relatively easy to learn.
Okay.
And there are tons of libraries and frameworks available.
So it speeds up development.
Exactly.
It's like choosing the right tool for the job.
Yeah, Python lets you focus on solving the problem.
Without getting bogged down in the details.
Exactly.
And Python is also used in data science and machine learning,
So there's potential for future enhancements.
like those we talked about before.
Yeah, really interesting possibilities.
And here's something else I was impressed by. They included a contribution section.
Oh, wow.
They encourage others to contribute to the project.
That's great.
It shows a real understanding of open source collaboration.
They're inviting others to learn and improve the code.
Yeah, it's like saying, hey, I started this, let's see what we can create together.
It's a great way to foster innovation.
So we've talked a lot about the technical details,
We have.
but what can we learn from this project even if we aren't developers?
Well, one thing is user-centered design.
Okay.
They clearly thought about the needs of both applicants and employers.
And we can apply those principles to other areas of our life,
Absolutely.
like designing a presentation or even writing an email.
Think about your audience.
Put yourself in their shoes.
Make the experience better for them.
And another takeaway is the power of automation,
Right, they automated a lot of tasks.
like sending emails and removing expired postings.
Which frees up time for more important things.
And even if we don't code, we can automate things in our own work.
Definitely.
Use scheduling tools or email filters.
Free up your mental energy.
And finally, this project reminds us that learning is a journey.
Always room for improvement.
They invited others to contribute.
Yeah, they're open to learning and growing.
It's a valuable lesson for all of us.
Embrace a growth mindset
We can always learn and grow,
from unexpected sources.
like a student project on GitHub. So we really uncovered a lot from just one student project.
Yeah, it's amazing what you can find when you look at these real-world examples.
It shows how much we can learn from each other.
Yeah, we went way beyond just this specific system.
We got into user experience and data and automation,
Even the future of work.
all that from a student's GitHub.
It's pretty cool.
So to wrap things up, I have a challenge for you.
Okay, I like challenges.
Imagine you're designing your own dream job application system. What one feature would you prioritize?
That's a tough one.
And why?
Yeah, think about it from both sides.
What would make it better for the applicant and the employer?
It really makes you think about what's important.
Maybe your idea will change the whole job application world.
I never know.
But even if you don't build the next big thing,
Right.
I hope this deep dives gave you a new perspective
On how these systems work.
and how they affect our lives.
It's all about understanding the technology.
So next time you're filling out an application or looking at candidates,
Take a minute to think about the system behind it.
there's a lot more going on than you might realize.
And understanding that can change how you interact with the digital world.
It's been great diving into this with you today.
Thanks for having me.
And until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.